Today's tutorial, how to compress PDF files in Python. Hello everybody, welcome to this tutorial on how to compress PDF files using IronPDF in Python. We've already installed IronPDF in our project, so let's open up the main.py file and let's get started. First, we'll set up our IronPDF by applying our license key. This ensures that we have all the functionality that we need. And we use the license.license key method to install our license key. Now let's instantiate our PDF document. We load an existing PDF file. This one is named compressed/image-based PDF.pdf. And we load this into our PDF document object. And this allows us to manipulate the PDF contents. Next, we'll compress the images in the PDF. We'll use the compress images method with the quality parameter of 60. After compressing the images, we'll save the modified PDF as compress/document_compress.pdf. And this ensures that our changes are saved to the file. In addition to adjusting quality, we can further compress our images by scaling down their resolution based on their visible size in the PDF. So we use the compress images method again, this time with the quality parameter of 90 and the second parameter set to true. And after applying the additional compression settings, we'll save the final compressed PDF as compressed/compressed.pdf. So now let's run the project and see the output. And the PDF should be saved in the compressed folder. All right, output is done, so let's review our results. We have two compressed files, document_compressed.pdf and compressed.pdf. And both files have reduced image sizes, resulting in smaller file sizes. And there you go. This concludes our tutorial on compressing PDF images using IronPDF in Python. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Give us a like, click subscribe if you want some more videos from us. If you'd like to try out the software yourself, there's a link in the description below that'll take you to a trial that you can sign up for and download, install the software. Thank me later.